Hello folks, we're back again, day 5. Heat lamp's still on. The heat lamp will still be on for the next couple of weeks. Get about 3 weeks old, they should be able to regulate their own heat and a bit better. But heat lamp's going to stay on. Sorry about the picture being a bit fuzzy. Can I get a better picture there? Yeah, all is well. Mum's doing good, baby's doing good. So this is day 5. And all is well. Just doing a bit of tidying up right now. Tidying out of bed. She's just eaten a whole bloody tin in one sitting. Literally hoovered it up. So she's got her biscuits left. We feed her a meat and a biscuit separate. She likes it that way. You put them together, she won't eat them. She's a fussy madam when she's pregnant, when she's having babies. But yep, all's good. I'll leave it to it. Thanks for watching. See you all tomorrow. Ta-da.